Maya's in the waterfall and she's laying. You can see her tail moving, but that's her drinking fountain and bathing pool. She gets up there and sometimes you can't even see her. Now she's going to roll. She's over there having, as I call it, a happy fit. She gets all jazzed after she's had her bath. Yeah, she hears me talking about her. She's so funny. Anyway, I've been trying to catch her when she's laying down in the waterfall because you can't even see her because she's down in the water plants. So anyway, just a little update about my silly dog. She's quite the little girl. Is in the waterfall again. I don't know if you can see her little tail, but she's completely, there she goes. She does like that waterfall. Little silly girl. Just gonna see if she's gonna roll again. Oh yeah, there she goes. She's so cute. Love that little dog.